little after work fishing. And there's the old pool house. Yes, where are we at? So we got the little zero on the Allen 3-weight. Like Paul, we're gonna see what we catch. There's gonna be a little blue-winged olive nymph. We're gonna see what happens. Oh, isn't he a nice little beauty? Look at that guy. And there's number 2. Oh, they're beautiful little things, aren't they? Just look at that. Well, what did we get? 2 so far? 3? I forget. Take a walk down this little trail here. See if we can get into something. I love fishing with this little 3-weight. It is so much fun. These little mountain streams like this. Absolutely beautiful. Those little tiny pieces of pocket water over the place. And then you get in here. Come down here. You see that spot right over there. And get in there. Really even have to get in the water. These are a little more challenging. Let's see if we catch something here. They're along that log. What do you think? Right where I'm standing. We're going to switch her up to a humpy, put a red humpy, a little high and dry, liquid dry float. Hit it one good time, spread her out. I like to spread it up the line a little bit so that helps my leader float. Alright, we switch back to the nymph. Got this one. It's a little blue-winged olive nymph. What'd I get? Got a little one. Got a little something. I'm gonna say that's definitely Not a trout. Haven't seen one of those in a while. Look at that guy. He's purple. He's purple. There's a couple holes in his face. And away you go. Yep, that's what I caught. Could use that for bait. If you like what you see, hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.